In my experience, one of the hardest parts of learning Spark is becoming familiar with the functional style of programming. Under the hood, Spark is written in a functional programming language called Scala. When you're programming with functional languages, you end up solving problems in a pretty different way than you would if you were using a general-purpose language like Python. Although Spark is written in Scala, you can use it with other languages like Java, R, and even Python. In this course, you'll be developing applications with the Python programming interface, or PySpark for short. Even when you're using the PySpark API, you'll see the functional programming influence of Scala. For example, in the last lesson, Udit showed you a MapReduce problem that counted up the number of times a song was played. This code went through each record and spit out a tuple with the name of the song and the number 1. These tuples were shuffled and reduced to sum up the ones that came with each song name. If you're used to counting with for loops and found that logic a little strange, it's because this was a functional approach to summing up songs. In the procedural style that most Python programmers know, you'd use a counter variable to keep track of the play count for each song. Then, you'd iterate through all the songs and increment the counter by 1 if the song name matched. If you want to use Spark effectively, you'll have to go beyond the procedural style and get comfortable with a few tools from functional programming.